What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we are making salmon patties. These resemble salmon burgers, and I like to drizzle them in a creamy garlic dressing. So go ahead and take 1 pound of fresh salmon and remove the skin from the salmon. You can purchase your salmon with the skin already removed if you wish. And then go ahead and dice that salmon into smaller chunks, about 1 centimeter each. And then divide the salmon in half and mince half of the salmon. You want to kind of grind it up as if it'll resemble ground beef or ground turkey. And then take that salmon and mix the diced salmon with the minced salmon and season it with 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of seafood seasoning or your seasoning of choice. And then add in 1 tablespoon of almond flour. And go ahead and give that a good mix and combine it really well. This mixture will get sticky, which is what you want because you want to be able to form 4 patties using that mixture. And then take a tablespoon of olive oil and add it to a pan. I like to use a stainless steel pan because it gets really hot and it's perfect for searing salmon. And then cook each of those salmon burger patties for only 2 minutes each on each side. You don't want to overcook the salmon. If the salmon starts to turn white, then you've cooked it for too long. And then next we'll make our creamy garlic sauce. You'll take a 1/4 cup of mayo, 2 garlic cloves that are minced, a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Use as much cream as you need to thin out that sauce. And then just mix it all together. And voila, salmon patties with creamy garlic sauce.